Hi, hi. Have you ever wondered how a bird talks? Kukla talks by barking. Izzy talks by barking. How's a bird talk? Let's see. Did you hear it? One bird goes quack, quack, and then the other one answers back. The one we can see answers back. Listen some more. What do you think they're saying? I think they're saying, I like Bombas. And the other one's saying, I like him too. I think that's what they're saying, but I don't speak bird. The sound is coming out of the bird's mouth. Watch the bird open its mouth. It brings in some air and its body gets a little bit bigger and then it squawks really loud. You can't believe how loud until you see how far away that birdie is from us that you're hearing so well. Watch. Well, now you've seen it. One bird talks, the other bird answers, another bird talks, back and forth. Very fun. Bye. Bye.